Assalamu alaikum. Day 16. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua.
اللهم اغفر لي ما قدمت وما أخرت وما أسررت وما أعلنت وما أنت أعلم به مني. أنت المقدم وأنت المؤخر وأنت على كل شيء قدير.
O Allah, forgive my past and future sins, those done in secret and in public, and what you know of me more than I know of myself. You are the one who brings forward, and you are the one who delays, and you have power over all things. Ameen.
Repeat this dua today, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Kul for daily supplications and reminders.